Today I share with you all another beautiful way you can prepare tea with milk. Yes, tea with milk. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. In a pan, add a little bit of water, just tiny bit of water. Throw in some mint leaf for more flavor. Add your tea bag or powdered tea like mine. This is just black tea that come in a powder form, alright? If you don't have the powder form, make use of tea bag. Mix everything together and bring it to a boil. Once it started boiling, go ahead and add your milk. The amount of milk you add depends on the amount of tea that you are making. Once you add the milk, add any sweetener of your choice. In my own case, I make use of sugar. I don't have problem with sugar, but I use sugar in moderation. Alright, but feel free to add any sweetener of your choice. Once you add your sweetener, stir everything together and bring it to a boil. As soon as you add your milk, keep an eye on it, alright? If you leave it, it's going to boil over and mess up your stove, alright? And you don't want that. See it, you guys can see that. Just keep an eye on it. Once it started boiling, reduce the heat to the lowest and allow to simmer on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the tea is looking like this, you know that the tea is done. It looks so creamy. Once you see that creaminess, you know that the tea is done. Just go ahead and turn off the heat and strain it in your tea cup, in your jug, in your mug, anything you want to strain it, alright? Just strain it and go ahead and serve it. You guys, this tea tastes absolutely delicious. The first time I taste the tea, you guys, I was blown away. Since then, if I want to make black tea, this is how I make my tea and I absolutely enjoy it. And I hope you guys will give the recipe a try. And if you like the recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.